Job boards can be assigned to vehicles and each contain a range of jobs. Each job contains a series of tasks which can be ticked off as they are completed. For example, as part of this vehicle preparation job board, our second job is called Point of Arrival. This reminds us to carry out a visual check, tag the keys, file the documents, check the fuel, and finally, park it in the prep bay. You can assign job boards to any number of vehicles and track the progress on ongoing jobs from the Vehicles menu or from the Browse Vehicles section. Each vehicle can have multiple job boards assigned when needed. You can also edit the job board settings so that jobs auto-assign to all new vehicles you bring into stock. Go to your Business Job Board section to see your choice of existing job board templates or add new job boards. Click on a job board to see the jobs within that job board, edit a job, or add a new job. You can also choose which members of staff are notified when the task begins, which service providers are assigned to the task, and you can even have it so that the service providers are automatically notified when the job board is assigned. But if not, you can still manually trigger a notification later on. Click the jobs to see the tasks or add new tasks. As I said, these are your templates for job boards. Adding or rearranging jobs and tasks in this section will make the changes universal for future implementations of that job board, but it will not change for the vehicles they're already assigned to. Once assigned to the vehicle, however, you can add specific one-off jobs which will only apply to that vehicle. Let's now assign this job board for a vehicle and look at our options. We'll go via the Vehicles menu and select this set of vehicle preparation jobs. Going forward, you can manage these jobs either from this dedicated job boards menu, where you can add more jobs, tasks, and rearrange the order just for this vehicle it's assigned to. You can also track and manage your jobs from the top bar within other sections when managing a vehicle. When you click on a job, you can individually tick off the tasks, add expected due dates, highlight errors or priority jobs, add notes, and attach relevant documents and purchase invoices. Documents will be fed to the vehicle's document library. You can also notify external service providers who will receive a link to a private area of your website. They can view the vehicle and any task instructions and due dates. Once the task is complete, they can mark it as done. They can also attach any documents and invoices which will be stored within the Vehicles menu in MotorDesk. They can also access their ongoing or upcoming jobs by logging in as a user on your dealership website. This will give them access to view all the jobs they are assigned to. As you or the service providers check tasks off, the jobs and the overall job board will give you progress metrics. To reach the 100% mark, you will need to press Mark Complete. We have a job boards overview under Vehicles Job Boards, where you can see which vehicles have certain job boards assigned to them. You can also sort by job, user, or service provider. Something we hope will be useful to you is when logging something as unsatisfactory in a condition report, you're given the option to add that particular issue as a task in your job boards for that vehicle.